All right, so let's take a peek at what's going on with Palantir and why this area. Was it Mark that was talking about Palantir this morning?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Well, I mean, to be fair, a lot of the chat members were too. But yes, Mark did
yes.
mention this today. Yes.
So notice this number right here. Here's where the year began, right? Am I right? Yeah. Here's the year. Here's where it began. That's the opening candle of the year at 76. That's really the number Mark talked about. And so what we've watched is a big bounce here into a lost 50, but that 50 is moving upward. So if you're thinking about a quick trade that's going to be give you a little bit of upside, expecting that it will not get above 94, here's my thought, right? So, and I've got so many different trades in Palantir. Let us take a look. We had the long put action that was doing absolutely fantastically. This one was about $3, but we have closed it, so we're not going to do that. If you're thinking to yourself, how can I make some money in Palantir while it gets out its wiggles? You could say, let's say you want to take a trade that's only going to last a few days, and you're saying to yourself, listen, I think this is in a bounce, and I think that bounce is going to hold a certain area but not get above another area. Let's take a look at where the option chains are sitting. You'll see that everyone is sitting at 90, right? That's where they think, hey, I don't know if it's going to go past there, but if it does, it's going to be in good shape. So let's get in front of it and let's go 88 to 94, which is what I see as relative resistance.
Okay. And then that round 100.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Absolutely. 86, 87 cents, only going to last a week. What we're looking for is a snapback bounce that you can get in and get out. If, per happenstance, Monday comes along and it continues, you're in fantastic shape. This thing's going to run like the wind. Your butterfly, that is, right? It's absolutely going to run like the wind. If you say, oh, gosh, there she is with her butterflies again. What about, you can simply say, all right, I'm going to take the 88.94 spread. It's going to give you $6 of upside. It's going to cost you $1.28. Do you want to just go ahead and buy the long 88 call? I mean, I wouldn't, because I like to use other money to make money versus putting my own money out there. And so that's what I would say there. But
and I mean, so if you sorry for interrupting there, but just to kind of carry your thought forward there, if you're talking about the 88 call, I mean, you're what, paying almost $2, 196 ask for that. Yeah. You have that same call in the vert spread that you have there for much less than that, 130. I mean, you're saving quite a bit. So
exactly. So, and this stock is not going to run off the rails. It's not. We are not in a market that has got run off the rails as part of its mantra at this particular time.
Yeah, actually, it feels like it's changed. It feels like it's rallies were sold instead of dips bought. 100%. Okay, awesome.
Absolutely. And as long as we stay under the 50 simple moving average in the broad index, that is very likely what we are going to see.
Okay. But by the way, folks, NVIDIA rejected again today at that 123.50. So just kind of going on the point here where things just aren't running rampant anymore. Even NVIDIA.
Yeah.
Stopped at that spot we identified. Okay. Really. I like this. I actually might do that butterfly, to be honest with you.
Yeah. It's really nice. It's a quick snap move.
Yep.
And it takes you from support to resistance. You front run all of the buyers that are sitting at 90 and sellers maybe, I don't know which one they are, and it gives you an upshot, and we've got ourselves a reflexive bounce. Make, your stop, you should be maybe 50%. You don't want to lose more than 50% of that unless you just buy one of them and then you go, okay, I'm just going to let it go down to, 20 cents and then I'll cover it, right? So just watch your risk from that perspective.